Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are going to discuss the mastery learning. What is mastery learning? At its core, mastery learning is a teaching method that promotes students' mastery of a topic or skill before moving on to the next level of difficulty. Instead of the traditional approach of teaching where students are taught the same material at the same pace, mastery learning focuses on individualized learning with personalized feedback. This means that students are given the necessary amount of time and support needed to understand and master the topic or skills before moving on. Let's discuss about the history of mastery learning. Mastery-based learning theory, which suggested that students can master any task given the right conditions, has been around since the 1960s. Benjamin Bloom's learning for mastery strategy outlines specific objectives, breaks subject into smaller sections, and provide feedback and additional time for learning. Another prevalent strategy developed by the psychologist Fred Keller in the 1960s, the personalized system of instructions, allows students to work at their own pace and achieve high levels of accuracy before moving on to the next lesson. Both strategies prioritize students' empowerment and engagement through continuous feedback and progress tracking. Let's talk about the elements of mastery learning. You can see all the elements of mastery learning on the screen. Pre-assessments help teachers determine students' prior knowledge, experience, skill levels, and potential misconceptions before beginning instructions. Diagnostic assessments are present in most modern educational approaches as a way to make the learning environment invitational and to provide students with self-monitoring skills. After the initial instructions done in groups, regular formative assessments are administered to inform teachers about what students learned well and what they need to learn better. Corrective instructions is then provided to mend any learning problems that the assessment have identified with activities tailored to different students' learning styles, modalities, and intelligence levels. These personalized lectures take 10% to 20% additional time than initial learning units but can improve academic progress. Let's talk about the pros and cons of the mastery learning. One benefit of mastery learning is that it helps to ensure students have a deep understanding of the material as they have given ample time to master the topic or skill. It also promotes a growth mindset as students are taught that intelligence and abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication. However, one drawback of mastery level is that it can be time consuming as students are given more time to master each topic or skill, which can slow down the overall pace of learning. In summary, mastery learning is an effective teaching method that promotes student mastery and individualized learning. By focusing on personalized feedback and individualized lesson plan, it helps to ensure that all students have a deep understanding of the material, while it may take more time to implement. The benefits of mastery learning are far better than the drawbacks. I hope that after watching this video, you have a better understanding of what mastery learning is and the many ways it can be implemented. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.